my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. To complete a meal, there are so many sides to choose from, like bread, salad, vegetables, rice, pasta, and so on. There's another one that originates from Italy that is actually quite versatile because it can be served hot or cold and also in many different ways. Here it is. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my creamy polenta. This is a lovely and easy recipe to make. Light and creamy, this is a perfect substitute for mashed potatoes, pasta, or even hot cereals in the morning. It's a great dish to pair with short ribs, lamb shank, veal, etc. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In an 8-quart pot over medium heat, we'll add 1 tablespoon of butter. And when it starts sizzling, we'll add finely chopped shallots and saute for 1 minute. Then we'll add garlic and saute it for only 30 seconds. Next, we'll add dry rosemary and cayenne pepper and stir continuously for 30 seconds so they don't burn. This is long enough to wake up the spices. You'll be able to smell their fragrance. To this, we'll pour in chicken broth, but you can always use vegetable broth if you prefer, and we'll give a good stir. We'll increase the heat to medium-high and bring the mixture to a boil. While it's getting there, we'll season with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. When the liquid is boiling, we'll slowly add the cornmeal, whisking constantly. Please take your time. Don't rush it. Otherwise, it will get lumpy, and good luck to you to dissolve it. When it's all in, we'll reduce the heat to medium-low and add the remaining 2 tablespoons of butter. We'll continue whisking until well incorporated before pouring in some heavy cream. We'll whisk it very well until nicely blended and then switch back to our wooden spoon, stirring constantly for a couple minutes. The mixture will still be grainy, so what we'll do is to cover, reduce the heat to low, and cook for 15 minutes. But every 5 minutes, we'll give it a good stir. When time is up, the mixture should be nice and smooth, so we'll add some grated Parmesan cheese and stir once again until well mixed. We'll serve immediately, and if you want, sprinkle on some paprika and garnish with a sprig of parsley. And my friends, this is our creamy polenta. Flavorful and delicious, this is a great Italian side dish to pair with many different proteins. It's quick and easy to make, plus a nice change from potatoes, pasta, or rice. If you never had it before, add it to your recipe folder. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!